So, dynamics of rigid body. Lesson 1, rectilinear kinematics continuous motion. So, mo ni ang introduction sa dynamics. So, rectilinear kinematics kay this is a study how to object moves in the straight line when it is the motion changes smoothly over time. So, it is the focus on three main quantities. Number 1, position. Xt minus where the object is, and velocity b times t equals dx over dt, how fast it moves. So number 3, acceleration, so or a, dv over dt, so how it is the velocity change. So there is a continuous motion. Continuous motion is there, these quantities are smooth of line, no sudden jumps. So means that object moves smoothly and suddenly there are no sudden jump, no sudden stop, and no change happen instantly. So kinematics, K component of kinematics. So the kinematics of the particle characterize the specifying at the given instant of the particle's position, displacement, velocity, and acceleration. So there is a question. So how far at the finish line is points of position? How far did it move? So displacement. How fast it velocity? So how quickly it is speeding up? So acceleration. So dito sa kalainan sa scalar of vectors. So ang scalar is quantity experienced only a size or numerical value of the phenomenon being the measure. This is quantities or described using a single value and no direction components. So diyan quantity has magnitude only. So diyan ito makita si mass, time, temperature, ug speed. Sa vectors is vectors quantity has both magnitude and direction, so making it moves complex. A scalar vector describe not only how much of sometimes is present but also a direction it is which is act of moves. So diyan ito makita si displacement, velocity, acceleration of force. In short, scalar magnitude only and vectors magnitude plus direction. Position tell you where the object is relative reference point, usually origin. So dali na sa displacement tell far at in what direction object has moved from it start the point. Pag velocity kay ang particles moves direction of the position and negative, and when the moving opposite direction, the magnitude of velocity is now speed measured units or meters per second or feet per second. So acceleration positives that object speed up at negative in the object is low. So mao na itong mga formula sa so B equals BO plus AT. So ang kaduha kay S equals SO BOT plus 1/2 plus AT squared. And katulo B squared BO squared plus AC squared, o kanang S minus SO pwede na ito i-S diretso. The sample problem 1, a dragsters accelerate from rest to speed of 112 meters per second over a distance of 9 ay 398 meters. So determine the acceleration. Assume uniform of a dragster. So mga answer na to nagay A ang so acceleration ang pangita, ang acceleration ang pangitaon so 15.67 meter second squared. So nara ang solution na ang solution to ang given kay BO, so atong ang ipangita man kay acceleration, so BO is 0 and ang B na to kay 112 meters second and S kay so distance man so S 398 meters. So acceleration ang ipangita so A. So ang gamiton na formula na to ato katong ipangita si A, so B squared equals BO squared plus ES 2ES. So ang silbi ang B na to kay 112, so maibutang sa B, so B squared 112 squared equals 0 squared, so 0 man atong BO, ibutang lang po nato dahil so O squared plus so ang gipangita to kay ang acceleration so 2E acceleration, ang S na to kay 398, so ato nang i-close parenthesis, then kung ang i-ko na to i-square root na to ang 1, so 112 squared makuha si 12,544. So ang diri sa pikas ilahi po nato og calcu, makuha diri si 796 A. So atong i-substitute atong ang A, so A atong pangita acceleration 12,544 over 796. So pag i-calculate na to makuha na to si acceleration is 15.76 meter second squared. So mo na ang answer sa tong example number 1. So thank you kayo.